Welcome to Matters Financial and Geopolitical from the Frontier. Allow me to wish you a wonderful Christmas holiday. The years pass so quickly. Remember, it was just last Christmas as if it were yesterday. Currency market euro dollar 114.49. When I looked last, dollar index 94.65. Japanese yen has strengthened considerably over the last few sessions, 111.41. Swiss franc below 99.9872, pound 126.73, Australian dollar 0.7115, Indian rupee below 70 at 69.835, South Korean won 11.2250, the Rial 384.23, Egyptian pound 17.9175, and the Rand is at 14.35. Dollar index, we're in a bit of a corrective phase here on the dollar, but I still am of the view we're going to 100, 105, 110. When I read Powell, that view is further buttressed. Euro dollar 114.60 last. This is a 3-month chart. I think we're right at the top of the range and about to turn lower. Why should anyone believe Facebook anymore? Asks Wired. Zuckerberg and his executives are such masters of this kind of sincere apology. It should have a special name like Apollo Zook, or perhaps just Zooked. It's truly rhetoric as art. We're sorry we're as upset as you are, but that thing you're angry at us about happened a few years ago. We fixed the problems. They happened because we're trying to make Facebook better for you. We now see how it left your data vulnerable to bad things too. We care more about your data and privacy than anyone. It won't happen again, we promise. We never sold anyone's data, Zuckerberg wrote in his post and has insisted at various other times this year. But Zuckerberg saying that Facebook has never sold user data is an answer only an engineer could love. It is technically correct, but practically false. Sure, Facebook has never given other companies user data in exchange for cash, but it's quite obvious to the world now that Facebook for a long time has been giving user data to other companies in exchange for other equally or more valuable things. There's a simple takeaway from all of this, and it's not a pretty one. Facebook is either a mendacious, arrogant corporation in the mold of a 1980s-style Wall Street firm, or it is a company in much more disarray than it has been letting on. Think about almost everything bad that's happened to Facebook since the 2016 election, Russian interference, Cambridge Analytica, data sharing, astroturfing. Facebook could have kept them all from becoming scandals, or at least becoming as big a scandal, had it just leveled with the world when it had the chance. The fact that it hasn't suggested it want to, or it is just not well managed enough to pull it off. 26th of March, I said in an extraordinary boomerang, the US's adversaries have turned social media on its head and used it as a Trojan horse via psychographic profiling and micro-targeting at a mass scale. I also said sell Facebook because its fundamental challenge is it has represented itself as an intermediary. However, it has been hawking our information as if it were an intermediary. This is its trust gap. And I said then, the man in the hoodie, a hoodie is a sweatshirt with a hood, Mark Zuckerberg, is hopelessly behind the curve. Positions turned bullish on gold for the first time since July. That's T commodity. Gold lost around the 1260 level. Brent crude briefly dropped below $55 a barrel for the first time since September 2017. As I wrote on the 12th of November this year, the proximity of the beginning of the bear market in crude oil and the disappearance of Khashoggi is no coincidence. The sell-off was manufactured by the Crown Prince, but I did ask, the question is, does this keep on spinning lower under its own momentum? And as you can see, it's been a bloodbath. Brent crude was down 5% to an intraday low of $54.28 a barrel. WTI got as low as $45.67 a barrel.